In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule your posts for your social media platform. So this will help to save you the stress of you going to post every day on your Facebook, but will make you more consistent on your posts on Facebook daily. So join me in this tutorial. Now, if you are seeing my video for the first time, make sure that you follow me on this page, so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. Also help me to share this video for other people to see this video. So to schedule your video on your Facebook page, what you need to do, go to your Google Chrome, then type business.facebook.com. so you put your phone on the desktop mode, so you click on these three dots by your right hand side to change this to desktop site. Log into your Facebook account, then select that page that you want to schedule the video for. So there are different ways you can use to schedule your video. You can even upload them bulk videos. Maybe you have 5 video, 10 video, you can upload them in bulk and then schedule them. So if you want to do that, you click on more, then you can upload them bulk reels, you can upload them bulk videos. Let's upload a single videos. Click on create post, so it will bring you to this interface. Then you click on add video, then upload the video from desktop. So you select that video that you want to upload, so you wait for it to upload the video. So once the video finish uploading, you enter the title of the video, the description of the video, then you click here to select your thumbnail. Then once you are done with that, you click on next. You click on next again to bring you to this interface. So you wait for it to check for copyright on your video to know if your video have copyright or not. So just wait for it to check for copyright. It has finished checking for copyright. Then the next thing you're going to do is you can add your video to, if you have if you want to post the video to another place, you can allow this. If you have a playlist that you want to add the video to, you click here, then you select that playlist that you want to add the videos to. Then to schedule your video, you click on schedule. You can see schedule on top here, so you click on schedule. Then you go and select the time and the date you want the video to post. So you select the date and the time you want the video to post. So once you are done selecting the time and the date that you want the video to post, so you click on schedule. So the video will schedule automatically on the scheduled time. So this is how to schedule your video. So if you got value from this video, make sure that you help me to share this video. And if you have not followed this page, make sure you follow this page. And if you are watching me from my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel, so that anytime I drop videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification.